Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is turned on. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's get started. Now the first step is you'll need to turn on your volume. Now to do that, you'll see on the left hand side, you'll see the silent button. Make sure that it is not turned on. And if it is turned on, make sure that you've turned it on. Turn it off. You'll see the silent mode option. Make sure that it's on off. After doing that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that your volume is turned up all the way. To do that, simply head over to your control panel and you'll see the volume slider. Now turn it up all the way, and after you do that, the next step will be again on the control panel. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off. Now what turning off Bluetooth does is that sometimes unknowingly you can be connected to your earbuds or some of your wireless devices. So that might be the reason that you cannot hear calls as they are being played in that very device. So make sure that you turn off your Bluetooth. Now after doing so, head over to the settings. Under settings, scroll down till you find the accessibility section. Tap on accessibility. After you're there, scroll down again, and after you scroll down for a bit, you will see the hearing section. Under hearing section, head over to hearing devices. Now you can turn on hearing aid compatibility. What this does is it improves audio quality, and you will be able to hear better. Now after turning that on, you can head over to audio and visuals. After you're here, you will see the noise cancellation option. Now if this is turned on, what this does is that it reduces ambient noise on your phone calls when you're holding the receiver to your ear. Now turn this off. Make sure that you've turned this off. Now after doing all of this, your problem should get fixed, but for the final touch, you can simply restart your iPhone. After you restart your iPhone, your problem should get fixed, guys. Now if it does not get fixed, there might be a problem in your speakers hardware, so make sure that you get it checked out. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.